What is mastery? Mastery is about transformation. It's about moving from one level of intelligence to another, which kills old ideas and perspective to make way for the new. This book teaches us that anyone can become a master as long as they learn from the masters of the past and present. Focus is required. You have to internalize vast amounts of knowledge about your subject, and only then you can begin to innovate. There is nothing magical about geniuses. They are just people who spend extra amount of time focusing on narrow set of things. People get the mind and quality of brain that they deserve through their actions in life. Mastery is the feeling that we have a greater command of reality, other people and ourselves. Learning is more important than short-term success. The author described mastery as the ultimate power. Most of us experience it at some point, a period of exceptional creativity and focus that allows us to penetrate to the core of something real. Mastery by Robert Greene. Become who you are by learning who you are. Here are the first 3 steps. Number 1, trust your gut to find your discipline to master. Number 2, take an apprenticeship and get paid to learn. Number 3, once you complete your training, challenge everything you learned. Masters excel because of their ability to practice harder and move faster through the process, all stemming from the intensity of their desire to learn and from the deep connection they feel to their field of study. Our level of desire, patience, persistence, and confidence end up playing a much larger role in success than sheer reasoning powers. Most people think that the extraordinary accomplishment of great masters like Da Vinci and Mozart stem from natural talent and inherent genius, but it is not true. There is in fact no natural link between inborn talent and the mastery of a skill or field. One study showed while many young children display talent, relatively few of them ever go on to remarkable achievement. On the other hand, those who show little sign of brilliance in school often later accomplish far more than their gifted peers. The great masters discover their field, engage in some kind of training, developed a creative and open mind, then went on to achieve mastery. Edison, Mozart, Einstein, Goethe, the most celebrated masters throughout the history, all followed a similar path to success. You don't need inherited gifts, early talent, or a high IQ to become a master. Just find your field or subject and follow the steps of the great masters before you. Your main goal should not be immediate success or money, but to learn as much as possible. The best way to learn a discipline or a skill is to have a mentor who shows you the way. Once you complete your training, you must be bold enough to think and challenge the very rules you learned before.